Hello there. I'm going to show you how to use the online formative assessment tool Plickers. Just follow these 5 steps and you will be ready to go in no time at all. Step 1. All you have to do is sign up for free and log in. Step 2. Click on New Set and begin to input your questions and multiple choice answers. You can only have up to 5 questions per set, but there are no limits to how many sets you can have, and you can play the sets one after the other. Step 3. Create a new class by clicking New Class. Insert first and last names. You can only have up to 40 students per class. Each student is assigned a number which is important. These numbers link to cards. Step 4. You will need to either buy or download and print Plickers cards for free. These are reusable for all classes. The card has 4 sides to it: A, B, C or D. Students will turn their cards whichever way they want to in order to scan their answers in. Step 5. Now you're ready to play. You will need a handheld device to scan your answers, such as a smartphone or a tablet. Students are to turn their cards to either side, as mentioned before, to either A, B, C or D, depending on their answer. The results will show up on the screen of the handheld device and your interactive whiteboard. There are a range of options to choose in terms of what is displayed. I want you to keep watching and you will see the many options that you can use on the interactive whiteboard. Finally, you are able to track progress using the score sheet and reports. This is going to assist you with your teaching between each formative assessment and in preparation for summative assessments that are coming up. Thank you for your time and I hope you've enjoyed.